In this video, I'll show you 5 secret tools that top bloggers use. Let's take a look. Hey there, my name is Mani Karthik and I'm a blogger from India. After spending almost a decade in marketing, working for small and big startups in Silicon Valley and the Middle East, I returned to India to start my own venture in blogging. I share everything I learned about blogging on this channel, so please subscribe if you haven't yet. One key thing that I've learned in my 10 years of blogging journey is that you gotta have the right tools to start blogging, which is the reason why a lot of top bloggers succeed in their blogging journey. They use a lot of secret tools that not many other people know. Here are 5 such tools. Number 1 is SEMrush. SEMrush is an amazing SEO tool that will help you find new content to blog about, profitable keywords, how your website is performing, and a lot more. Many of the top bloggers that I know use SEMrush. It's a paid tool, but still it's worth the money. I highly recommend SEMrush. If you want to buy SEMrush, you can get a discount on the price. The link is in the description below. Number 2 is ConvertKit. It's a highly effective email tool for bloggers who wants to grow their email list. This software helps you use the email list for business growth through trackable data. It has attractive forms and simple but powerful automation tools that makes it one of my favorite email tools for bloggers. ConvertKit, check it out. Number 3 is everybody's favorite and free to use, of course, Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free tool from Google that helps bloggers measure their blog's analytics and track information about the way visitors interact with their websites. It also allows you to see how well your website is performing on Google and also many other things. It is one of the most basic things that any SEO should use. So if you're not using Google Analytics yet, I strongly suggest you to try it out. Number 4 is Grammarly. Even after writing for years now, I don't believe that I'm perfect with English grammar because it's not my native language. And if you have trouble writing the perfect grammar, I highly suggest you check out Grammarly, which is a Chrome extension. So if you're using the Google Chrome browser, make sure you use Grammarly. Just search for Grammarly in the Chrome store, or you can check out the link in the description below and you can install it. It's free of use and it's an amazing tool that always gives you suggestions to write the perfect grammar in whatever content it is that you're writing. Number 5 is Plagiarism. If you're serious about blogging, plagiarism is something that you should be extra cautious about. Copying someone else's work is considered stealing by Google. Many bloggers unknowingly write content that is very similar to somebody else's, and Google might actually think it's a copy. So don't hesitate. Use free tools like Plagiarism to ensure that your content is unique and Google don't consider it as a copy. So there you have it, 5 tools every young blogger must have if you're serious about blogging and growing your blog. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, but I highly recommend that you check out all these 5 tools and take them for a test drive. By the way, do you have any tools that you use already for blogging? If yes, please let me know in comments. I'll be happy to check it out. This is Mani Karthik signing off.